With only 1 week left to legally sit in their civil service offices, it would seem that the government employees have some reprieve after 2 Kenyans filed a suit against their termination by January 14, 2012. Head of Civil Service and Secretary to the Cabinet Francis Mudhara had issued a circular on December 22nd last year, reminding all civil servants planning to have their names on various ballots in the general election must resign by January 14th. The circular, titled Political Neutrality and Integrity of State and Public Officers, warned civil servants that they could be dismissed because staying in the office while actively campaigning is a breach of the law on integrity and their political neutrality, as public officials would be called into question. Among the senior public servants who had declared their interest in running for office is Education Permanent Secretary James Ole Kiapi, who has declared his interest in the country's presidency. In an application filed at the High Court in Nairobi last Friday and scheduled for hearing as an urgent matter, 2 voters, Charles Omanga and Patrick Njuguna, filed the petition against the IEBC and the Attorney General. The High Court is expected to hear the case this week. The voters are challenging Section 43, Part 5 of the New Elections Act, which requires that public officers intending to contest elective posts resign at least 7 months before the polls. This comes as the contentious question on the correct date of this year's elections is yet to be determined by the High Court later this month. If the court rules that the elections should be held in August, all civil servants wishing to vie for party posts will have to resign immediately. Catherine Onwando, KTN Sunday Night.